Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I got a different video for you. I'm going to be unboxing the Lush's new Valentine's Day collection. I've been waiting for this for about a week. I'm so excited. We have two baths here and I can choose which bath I want, but I like it upstairs anyways. I haven't had a Lush. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Put the thumb down. I haven't ordered something from Lush for ages now. Gosh. So here's my receipt. Lush kitchen newsletter. Oh my god. It smells so nice. Okay, the first is I ordered this, not canvas, but this, oh my god, not wrap, and it says love is love. Look at that, absolutely amazing. I'm going to put that in my room. I'll put the prices at the bottom so you know. Oh my goodness. This is a Lush Valentine's Day gift box, and it's the Love Yourself box. Oh my. That reaction is not overreacting, but look at that. That smells. Oh my god. That's like, it smells like Ribena mixed with Brightside Bubble Bar together. So this is the rainbow bubble bar. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We got the unicorn horn. I'm not going to show you the rest because I don't want to get this out right now. This is the Love Me Do bath bomb. Oh my god, that smells so nice. Oh my god. This is the watermelon sugar lip scrub. That smells like proper watermelon. Oh my god, that smells so good. Oh, the Beauty Sleep Face and Body Mask. This is not a Valentine's Day collection thing, but I seen it around it and I was like, I hope this is gonna be okay. Oh my god, I can't even describe. It's like lavender. Oh my god. That smells so good. This is a bubble bar. This is the, oh my god, this is a massage bar. Oh my gosh. This is the Tasty Toasty. Oh my god, this is the 420 bath bomb. This is CBD. Oh my gosh, that is a weird smell. It's nice. Oh, it literally smells like weed. This is still Prince. Oh my god, I had the shower gel ages ago and I didn't really like it, but I thought let's just try it this year to see if the formula's changed, or the colour definitely has changed though. It was more like a baby pinkish. That smells a lot better. This is the bubble bar, which I've been wanting to get for a while now. The CBD bubble bar just blows my mind. Oh my god, it looks better in real life. It's the same scent as this is. I can't even get my head. This is immense. That is absolutely, I don't know, I never smell. This actually smells like weed. Like, it actually smells like weed. Look how pretty it is though. The colours are beautiful. Everything's like not even broken, which I'm like so surprised about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below what video you want me to do next time.